Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining me today. It's always a pleasure to touch bases with everyone and just see how you all are doing. And I hope everybody's doing well. I am on vacation. Thank goodness. I get a chance to relax and I don't have to work with any clients this vacation time because normally that's what I'm doing when I'm on vacation. However, I'm here in Texas to see my son. It's a beautiful place and I'm enjoying my visit with him, and he still has to work. So while he's not working, we hang out. But when he's working, I go through the house just to see where I can help him out to make him more functional. You know, he's done a great job because he takes after me and he knows how to organize. He had what he needed in his house to organize his space. But there were some things that I felt that could help him improve on his organization skills. So I organized his cabinets today, and I also am in the process of organizing his desk. So I'm gonna show you what I did to kind of help him with his organization. I'll have some before and after pictures attached to the video. So